Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bike rollers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Soozier adjustable fitness cycling bike roller. You need to check out for a bike roller that will perfectly fit the bike. Here is a bike roller that offers a universal fit for bikes with 24 inches to 29 inches plus 700C. You just need to adjust the unit for a perfect fit for the bike. Second, to this, it has been constructed from the best quality of lightweight aluminum and steel frames, thus a unit that will serve longer plus allows for easy portability. Also, it is sturdy enough to support up to 265 pounds. To add more, it is a perfect unit that offers a perfect riding to enhance your riding skills and engage the course. It will provide overall fitness, thus a key selection that you never want to miss. The trainer has been fitted with several contact points to provide great stability on all terrains. With up to 3 5.25 inches diameter balanced HDPE rollers, it offers more excellent movement and consistent drive needed. The unit also folds compactly to allow for convenient storage and portability. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Feedback Sports Resistance Bike Roller. The construction of the bike roller needs to be a priority. Everyone should look out before making the order. This is a sturdy and highly durable unit that has been made from aluminum anodized frames for increased longevity. The unit is also foldable and lightweight, making it a breeze to transport. Moreover, it also comes with a heavy-duty tote bags for storage and portability. This is a widely compatible bike roller that you will find a favorite for most bike units. It accepts standard 12x100, 15x110, QR, and 15x100 through axles. Due to this, you will find it a great unit that you can use with your bike for better performances. In addition to this, the bike roller has been optimized for pre-race warm-up plus travel. With the rubber-capped contact points, it is elementary to use on all surfaces. At number 3, we have the CycleOps bike roller. When looking for the ultimate rollers for your biking needs, this is a favorite selection you need to try out. The roller has a unique patented design, which means that it is user-friendly plus provides up to 5 levels of resistance. Other than this, it has been made using the best quality of aluminum that runs smoothly and silently. The rollers have 3.25 inches diameter and will not distort even under sunlight or heat. To add more, it stands on the end or folds flatly for easy storage. The unit has been fitted with floor-friendly contact surfaces so that it doesn't damage the floor. More interestingly, it is widely compatible since it fits most bikes. Despite the top-notch features, it is an affordable unit. At number 2, we have the Elite Arion bike roller. Elite Arion roller is a unique pick of bike roller that will provide a more balanced ride. This is due to the fact that the roller has been fitted with parabolic-shaped rollers, which bring about a free and safe ride. Second, to this, the roller has been made using the highest quality of lightweight yet ultra-strong aluminum materials, making it suitable for long-term use. This also ensures that it provides the support needed. To add more, it is a unique bike roller that will fold easily for movement and storage. You can easily mount and dismount the unit thanks to the built-in step. With the multi-contact points, it provides better stability on all surfaces without damaging the floor. Lastly, it is a widely compatible unit that suits bikes with different wheel sizes. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kinetic Z bike rollers. Here is another top-rated bike roller that will perfectly intensify the workouts. The high-quality bike roller has been fitted with a 3.25 inches diameter roller that is easily compatible with most bike wheel sizes. Other than this, it is a very stable unit that has more rubber-capped contact points. Also, the precision machined rollers have been made from the best quality of aluminum material for long-term use. The good thing is that the bike roller is convenient to store even in smaller spaces thanks to the foldable compact design. It has a dual grooved for right or left side, allowing for an elementary dismount. It comes fully assembled, which means that it comes ready to use. The unit is easily adjustable from 38.2 inches to 43.3 inches to suit most bikes. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.